Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Rubber Washer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new rubber washer. The rubber washer goes in between the heating element and the dishwasher tub. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's gone bad and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher up. So we're going to open the door and remove the screws that hold the dishwasher to the cabinet. Now that we have the screws out, we can go underneath the sink and disconnect the supply lines. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have everything disconnected, we can pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. Now that we have the dishwasher out of the cabinet, we can go behind it and disconnect the heater element. First thing we have to do is take these little black protectors off. They put these around the wires to protect them. So there's a couple little latches right here, so we have to press in and then open them up. Next we can pull the wires off. These particular wires have these little tabs coming out the back side of them. So you need to press on these to release them so they can come off the terminals, otherwise they won't come loose. Now that we have the wires off, we can take off the 11/16 inch nuts that hold the heater in. Now we can open up the dishwasher and remove the lower rack. Now that we have the dish rack out of the way, we can take out the lower spray arm to make it easier to get the element out. All you have to do is unscrew this retainer nut and lift out the spray arm assembly. Now that we have that out of the way, we can pull the element out. Once you have it out of the back of the tub, you just lift it out. Here's the old rubber washers next to the new ones. If you already have these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To get the old ones off, all you have to do is pull them off the end of the elements. Once you have them both off, we can put the new ones on. Once you have them installed on the heater, we can put it back in the dishwasher. Now we can put the element back in place. You want to make sure that as you're putting the front in, you get them into these little mounting brackets. Once you have them in the brackets, we can put the ends through the tub. And then we can put the lower wash arm back in. Tighten it down. Then we can put the lower dish rack back in. Close the door, and then we can go behind and hook up the electrical connections. Now we can put the nuts back on that hold the element in place. Once you have them on, we can tighten them down with our 11/16 inch wrench. Then we can reconnect the wires. All you have to do is press them back up into place so they lock in. On ours, the white one went on this side, and the orange one on this side. Then we can put the wire protectors on. You want to make sure that the wire goes in through here and covers up the terminal, and then you can snap it in place. Now that we have everything reconnected, we can put the dishwasher back in the cabinet. First thing we need to do is put the lines back through the cabinet. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway and then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push it back into the counter. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. Now we can open up the dishwasher door and re-secure the dishwasher to the cabinet. Now that we have the screws back in, we can close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.